Top 7 Warship Games. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 7, Warship Attack 3D. Master the great juggernauts from USA, Japan, Russia, Britain and Germany with a variety of battleships, cruisers, and destroyers. 40 plus fast-paced naval battles in World War II era. Epic 3 vs 3, real-time online naval battle. Customize your warships with different weapons and parts to win the battle. Number 6, Enemy Waters, Submarine and Warship Battles. Destroy enemy ships. Shipwrecks, full of treasure. Ping for enemy submarines. Coordinate your attacks. Ambush enemy convoys. Escort civilians to safety. Submarine simulation controls. Guard seaports from enemies. Command and conquer. Ten warships. 10 submarines. Number 5, Battle Warship, Naval Empire. Build your naval empire. Command your aircraft. Upgrade your fleets. Crush your enemies. Wage global war. Number 4, Ships of Battle, Age of Pirates.
All hands on deck! Fire in the hole!
Fight epic battles. Sail the Caribbean. Endless quests for treasure. Manage your pirate town. Number 3, World Warships Combat. Varied and powerful weapons could be used in any situation. Cutting-edge 3D graphic. Battleships in real history. Beautiful environments. Smooth and simple ship control system. Easy to learn, hard to master. Exciting VFX effect. Number 2, The Pirate, Caribbean Hunt. Hail to the captain. Sail into the heart of the Caribbean in the age of piracy, the time of black flags and white skulls, blue waves, and golden opportunities. Hoist the Jolly Roger and grab the steering wheel to sail through battles and raids, ransoms and treasures, to become the Crimson King of the Antilles. 20 classes of ships. 5 types of ammo, cannonballs, chain balls, grape shot, bombs, double shot. Special weapons, explosive barrels, burning oil, battering rams, pre-boarding attacks. 30 ship upgrades. Hundreds of islands and dozens of ports to visit and explore. Historical module, with more than 50 years of real history and real events. Number 1, Battle of Warships.